Hello everyone, I am Muslim Wardak and am once again here to teach you third lesson of series of German grammar lessons level A1. So in this lesson we will be learning about the following grammatical points in the following titles. The first one is Zeitangaben im Satz. It means times in sentence. The next one is Adjektiv im Satz nach Nomen. It means adjective after noun in a sentence. In the next one is es im Satz. Es means it in a sentence. So we are coming to our first title. It's about Zeitangaben im Satz. Zeitangaben means times in a sentence. Where in which position do we use times and adverb of times in a sentence? For example, we use adverb of time and times in third position, like we used in second position noun that we have studied in our second lesson, video 1 and video 2, and in video 2 and remaining part of second 2, we have studied that we use a verb in a second position in a statement. And so here verb is used in second position and adverb of time and a statement is used in third position and after a verb. So for example, wir gehen am Sonntag ins Kino. We are going on Sunday to cinema. Then for example, we are talking to our friend. We say we are going on Sunday to cinema. So then we are asking our friend, kommst du mit? Do you and are you going with us? So there here our friend say, am Sonntag muss ich meine Hausaufgabe machen. Das geht nicht. Our friend say, so we have said in this sentence in this sentence, it was the first position that we use adverb of time and we use time in a sentence. The second position, if we would like to use adverb of time and time in the beginning of a sentence, then we can use this and it is the second position that we can use adverb of time. But keep in mind that anytime and always when you used adverb of time and in time in the beginning of a sentence, then you have to bring again and indirectly and again the man verb and you can bring the you can bring the helping verb after adverb of time, and that is a must. You have to bring it in second position, so it again come in second position. Am Sonntag muss ich meine Hausaufgabe machen. Here our friend say that uh, on Sunday I must do my Hausaufgabe. Hausaufgabe means homework. Machen mean do. I must do my homework. Das geht nicht. It means I can't do that. It means I can't go with you. So then we say our friend, gehen wir am Samstag ins Museum. Gehen wir, here we brought the man verb in beginning of a sentence. It means we are asking. We have made a Satzfragen. A Satzfragen means sentence question, a statement question. We have made a statement in declarative sentence. We have changed it to question. Gehen wir am Samstag ins Museum? Going. Uh, so we ask question. We are going on Saturday to museum. Uh, do we going on Saturday to museum? Then a parent say, ja, am Samstag geht es. Yes, ja mean yes, am Samstag, on Saturday I can do that. And is it a geht es? It means yeah, it is possible. So in conclusion, we can say the here about position, the position of time and verb, and here is described. Position of time, when it is used in a statement and a declarative sentence, we use it in third position. Verb is always in a declarative sentence and second position. And when you make it a question, then bring main verb and beginning of a sentence. And when we use adverb time and at the beginning of a sentence, then you have to use again verb in second position and directly after adverb of time and after time. Like here, am Sonntag muss ich meine Hausaufgabe machen. The next one is gehen wir am Samstag. Here again is in third position and uh, in a question. Here am Samstag in first position, get, then again directly verb is used. So we are coming to the next title. It is about Adjektiv im Satz nach Nomen. Adjective in after noun in a sentence. Adjective is a word that describes noun and noun phrase. So it means it gives information, further information about a name. For example, dein, it can be adjective, can come after a sentence and can come before uh, sorry, after a noun and can come before a noun. So here the title is after a noun. For example, dein Auto ist rot. It means your car is red. It means your car has red color. Du dein, okay, this is okay. So here the information is given about du, dein, ich, mein. It means about the possessive form of something. For example, we say you, your. So here we say dein Auto, your car. Du, dein, and for ich, when we use for ich, then we use mein. Dein Auto, mein Auto. Your car, my car. So here, dein Auto ist rot. Your car is red. Ich finde mein Auto schön. It means I found it means I like my car, and it is my car is beautiful. It means it if we literally mm, um, translate it, it means I found my car good. So the next one is here auto. Auto is noun, and after that its goodness is described. Here auto is noun, and after that its color is described. Meine Wohnung ist klein. My home and my place of residence is small. Ich finde meine Wohnung schön. I found my home good and beautiful. So here it can be adjective can be used after noun and can be used before noun. I give you an example for adjective that we use before noun. For example, ich, uh, we say like ich habe ein blaues Hemd. It means I have one blue t-shirt. So here blaues is an adjective and it is used before noun. So it can be used before noun, it can be used after noun, but adjective is a word that describes a noun. So now we are coming to our third grammatical point and our third title. It is about is im Satz. Is im Satz means it it in sentence. It in a sentence. So how it is used in German. For example, we say in English, it rains. Es regnet. In German, we say es regnet. It is like in English, we say it is cold. So in English we say it is cold. In German, we say es ist kalt. Wie spät ist es? It means what time is it? We say es ist 5 Uhr. It is 5 o'clock. It means it is 5 o'clock of morning, not of afternoon. Because in German, for 5 o'clock in afternoon, we use 17 Uhr, means 17 hours. But in German, time is, once again, as I have mentioned before in our second lesson, time is not divided into 12 hours format. It is divided, it is the same in 24, it is used in 24 hours format. So the next example is wie geht's dir? It means how are you? How are you? Here we say mir geht's gut. Geht is gut und dir I am good and you. The next person say mir geht es auch gut. I'm also good. Auch means also. And for good in English we say good. In German we say gut. Gut. So it was our third lesson of series of German grammar lessons level A1. I hope that you have learned it and you have understood it. So be with us for more and further lessons, and for more videos, subscribe us and follow us in YouTube for more video and more lessons.